Okay, let's talk about a little bit regarding to the alveolus and the transport of respiratory gas. You see, for alveolus, it's like the area entry through our nostril, then to our trachea, to our bronchus, then bronchioles, and then alveoli. It's like at the last part there, alveolus singular, alveoli plural, and then the gaseous exchange actually happened there because they have blood capillaries there, and then simple diffusion just happened because of the high concentration of oxygen outside from your body. Then you just absorb the air inside, and it will diffuse through your alveolus into the blood. So basically, you need to remember the partial pressure of oxygen. So initially when you inhale, there's going to be a high concentration of oxygen, and it will all go into your blood. And for carbon dioxide, because there will be a high concentration of carbon dioxide in your blood, it will just diffuse back into your alveoli and just remove from your body through exhalation. Okay, now moving on to the transport of respiratory gases. How do we transport all these gases in our body? For oxygen, it will mostly be our oxyhemoglobin, which basically means hemoglobin plus your oxygen, and then they form into oxyhemoglobin. Then they transport until they reaches the cell. Then after it reaches the cell, the oxygen is released from the oxyhemoglobin again to become hemoglobin, and the oxygen is used up. Yeah, the process has repeat. And then after you have your carbon dioxide, how you transport it? This one you have to remember because it comes out in SPM sort of frequently. 7% is in your blood plasma, 23% is in carbaminohemoglobin, and 70% is in the bicarbonate ions. Let me repeat that. 7% is in your blood plasma. Of course, you don't want to have too much carbon dioxide in your blood plasma because it's acidic. And 22% is through hemoglobin. You can spend a little bit more to transport carbon dioxide through your hemoglobin, but you don't want to spend too much of it because you need to use it for oxygen again. So 70%, the most of it, is just going to be transported through bicarbonate ion, which you use H, hydrogen atom, which is some kind of very abundant atom that you can find everywhere. So not a problem with that.